Hey everybody, welcome back to the Smoke Midwest YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be smoking a 18-ounce cowboy ribeye and an 8-ounce filet over a campfire. Stick around, it's gonna be good. All right, so what we have here is a 18-ounce cowboy ribeye. It still has the bone in it, but it's been cut off, so it's not just a tomahawk. And an 8-ounce filet mignon. So what we're gonna do, season them up today with the Smoke Midwest steak and burger rub. And I got the campfire starting to get going, so we're about 20 minutes out, so I want this rub to sit on a little bit. So let's season them up. We're gonna put a good coat on each side of the steaks. So this steak and burger rub has got a good combination of salt, pepper, garlic, some onion, and it is just fantastic on beef. It's a good looking ribeye too. Got a lot of marbling going on with it. Just press that rub in a little bit. So we got these seasoned up. We're gonna let them sit about 20 minutes and then we're gonna throw them on the campfire. We'll see you there. All right, so our steak's been sitting about a half hour. The rub is soaked into them, looking good. We got our campfire with the flames. The tips of them are just about grate level, which is absolutely perfect for searing up the steaks. So let's put on our 18-ounce cowboy ribeye. Ooh, so that's sear. And the filet. So that's what you want to hear, is a good sear like that. We're gonna let them go until they get a nice sear on one side, and then we're gonna flip them over. All right, so our steaks have been on about 5 or 6 minutes. Time to give them a flip. Look at that crust. Whew, that is hot. Flame tips are just right below the grate again. And we got a nice sear on them, so we're gonna let them go about another 4 or 5 minutes, and we'll check them then. We'll see you then. All right, so while the steaks are going, they're almost done. What we're gonna do is we got about a half stick of butter and a foil boat here. What we're gonna do is put a little jalapeno garlic in there. What we're gonna do is make some garlic bread with this. So just put it on the edge of the fire, and once that is melted, we're gonna put it all over some buns. All right, so our steak is done. It's got a nice sear on both sides. You can see that side and this side. We're gonna go ahead and pull it off, let it rest, and we're gonna let our butter melt here over the fire for about a minute or two. All right, so our jalapeno garlic butter is pretty much all melted. So what we're gonna do is just pull it off, put it onto a plate here. If you want to come over here, I've got some buns left over from last night's broth. What we're gonna do is just spoon some of the jalapeno garlic butter right over the top of them. Spread it all over each one of them. Make sure we get a nice and even coat. You can see our dogs over here are salivating over it. So this is the butter that we seasoned with the jalapeno garlic rub, and we melted over the fire. So we're spread it all over our buns here. Then we're gonna take these right over to the fire, and it's not gonna take long at all. We're just going directly right over the flames here. Like I said, maybe a minute tops or 30 seconds. All right, these have been on about 30 seconds. Let's check them out. Good. All we're looking for is just a nice little char on them. Flip them over on that side. Get a little char on that side, on the other side as well. About another 30 seconds and we'll pull them off and we'll be ready to go. All right, so what we got here is our 18-ounce cowboy ribeye, our 8-ounce filet mignon, and our jalapeno garlic bread. I dropped one of them in the fire, so we only have 2 out of the 3 left. The other one's good. We're all right. We still got 2. So let's cut into our cowboy ribeye and check it out. Get a zoom in on all of that juice still on this thing. As a recap, we seasoned it up with the smoked Midwest steak and burger. Put it over a super hot campfire. The tips of the flame were just about to the grate. Seared it on one side, flipped it over, and this is what we got. It was about 5 minutes on each side. So let's just cut her in half and see what we're like. And look at that. That thing is super tender. You can feel how tender it is. Cooked to a medium rare, about 128 degrees internal temp. Let's try a little bite. Oh man, that's a good steak right there. I don't get much better than that. Ribeye steak over a campfire, steak and burger rub, excellent sear, jalapeno garlic bread. It is good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We're gonna be doing videos like this all summer long. See you soon.